Hey everyone, Chris from HMR Motors. Today I have a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with just 77,000 miles. This one is a Braun Entervan mobility conversion with a remote power side entry wheelchair ramp. It has a lowered floor and Q-Straint tie downs for secure transport. It's clean inside and out, rust free, and has a clean Carfax with no accidents. Whether you're looking for a reliable, accessible van for personal or commercial use, this one is ready to go. And today I'm going to give you a full tour, show you everything working and operational, then we'll take it out for a drive. So let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to operate the wheelchair ramp on this Braun Entervan. It's super simple and user friendly. You can deploy the ramp right from the factory key fob. Just press the passenger side sliding door button twice. The door will automatically open, the van will lower, and the ramp will smoothly deploy to the ground. To stow the ramp, just press the same button twice again. The ramp will retract, the van will raise, and the door will close all automatically. In addition to the key fob, the ramp can also be operated using the factory overhead sliding door button, as well as the buttons from Braun located on the dash and next to the ramp in the back. This conversion is designed for ease, accessibility, and independence. Let's do a walk around of the Caravan so you can see the overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go.
Tires are in really good shape. There's some light scratching here on this side skirt. It's normal with these vans, so, and some little touch up right here as well. Scratch down here too. Ding right there. Very minor stuff, guys. I like to point everything out. I don't want to hide anything. have some bug damage here on the front bumper.
All right, let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you the conversion in more detail.
So here we have the Q-Straint tie downs, as well as the seatbelt extender. Both front seats are removable, so if you prefer specific positioning, you have unlimited options here. You have rear controlled air conditioning. You can hear. You can also control the ramp with this button here. There's another one on the center console as well. You have a little scratching here on the console. I'm assuming the previous owner sat in this position with this seat removed, so that's why that's there. Jack and tools in here, extra storage, spare tire. These seats do fold down and stow. power driver's seat. See, everything works. All right, let's go on the inside. All right. See, the radio works. Let's check out the fan speeds. Everything is working. Cup holder down here. Power outlets down there. Glove box. And here we have our original owner's manual from Dodge, as well as the Braun manual for the conversion. See, all the windows are working. Do have the rear vents as well. Check out our mirrors. Go to the other side. Works. Do have cruise control here. We do have steering wheel mounted audio controls as well. Door locks. Everything works. You can also control the ramp with the factory button on the overhead console right here. If you push this, ramp will open up. Same thing with the driver's side sliding door, that works there as well.
All right, let's take the van out for a quick drive. 3.8 V6 runs strong and smooth. The transmission shifts perfectly and it handles comfortably on the road. Whether you're the driver or passenger, it's a great mobility solution that's ready to go wherever you need.
wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low-mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.